let's make a shake. I'm making one of my protein shakes and thought I'd show you guys how I do it. So I got me this Ninja. My husband found this in a like thing. They were like, they've got this thing at our storage unit where you can put stuff that you don't want anymore and people can pick it up. And he found a freaking Ninja blender, right? And I love Ninja. So I was pretty excited to have a Ninja again, because my old school blender, I mean, it worked. But anyway, so we're gonna make my famous Fruity Pebble cheesecake shake. All right. So we're gonna start with a healthy scoop of our Fruity Pebbles protein powder. We start with that. Addie's here helping me. You just can't see her. She's down here. I use a half a pack of pudding mix because I like my shakes thick and it helps make them thick and creamy. So a little bit of zero sugar, of course. Just a half of it. Oh, that might have been a little bit more than a half. Oh well. Measure generously. Just makes it extra thick. Okay, and then we've got our Oikos Pro Zero. I always use the 000, but my husband found this one and it's still got zero. It doesn't have 0 calories, but it's got zero zero added sugar. I was like, zero sugar. Okay, there's 4 grams of sugar, but there's 0 added sugar. There is 23 grams of protein in this, so it's got more protein than the 000. So that's why my husband picked that up for me this time. He's always trying to find all the protein he can find for me. He's so cute. He'll be at the grocery store and he'll see like new protein snacks out, and he's got to try, like, pick them up and try them for me. He'll never try them. But he's got to pick them up for me. I just love him. So I use about a half a cup, I want to say, of the yogurt. And the reason for the yogurt, I don't know if y'all ever notice, but these protein shakes tend to taste a little like chalky, you know? You got that like aftertaste. I noticed that when I use the yogurt, it helps cut that. It also adds more protein, right? And I'm always trying to get my protein in. I had weight loss surgery 3 years ago. 3 years ago. It was shortly after Addie was born. And then I've got my Premier Protein, just vanilla. I'm going to add all of that in there. And then I need my ice. You got to add the ice so we can make it a shake. A shake, a shake, a shake, a shake. A shake, a shake, a shake, a shake. Right? A big bowl of ice here. We're going to throw our ice cubes in. You're going to throw a couple in there for me? Oh, yeah, just here. Throw one in. Throw one in. Let's go. Honey. I love her. Her little hands. She's so sweet. She always wants to help. Okay, you got that. All right, let's put this in. Hold on, I gotta plug it in, baby. You gotta wait. Let me. Aiden's in there playing. If you can hear him making his happy sounds. All right, ready? I forgot to put the thing in the middle. This is not the first time I've done this. Hold on, baby. Like, why isn't, like, something doesn't seem right. Yeah, I wonder why. Now I gotta try to get this thing down in there. Okay, let's try that again. This time with the things in place. All right, ready? There we go. Hi, Aiden. All right. No. Thank you. Look at that. We are mixing it up. No. He keeps eating my. Gotta add some fruity pebbles, right? Keep going. It sounds like it still needs some mixing. wanted to say hi. I think it's thick enough. You want to hit it too, buddy? It looks thick enough. I think so. Yes, honey, we've got it. We've got it. Yeah. Hi, guys.
Now we can see them.
Is it? Yeah, I know. I'm dripping, baby. I don't know. It could. I mean, it's gonna thicken up because of that pudding in there anyway. It could be a little thicker, but it's good. All right, baby. Okay, honey. Okay. No. Okay. Thank you. We are right now. Got our shake.
My shake too, please.
Addie gets a shake. Aiden, do you want to? No. Okay, thank you. Okay, honey, please stop. Thank you. Okay, I will even make a little bit for Aiden. How about that?
Now yours, okay?
Figure if I'm going to teach them habits, they might as well be good ones, right? Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys, ready? We gotta add the pizzazz.
And yours, please.
Where'd that lid go? I don't know where you put the lid. Hold on. Where's the cereal? All right, you guys, ready? Gotta add. Oh, I meant to add a little extra inside.
Me don't want too much.
You don't want any cereal, or you don't want too much cereal on yours? I meant to actually mix some into mine, and I totally forgot. That's all right. I still got more left over now.
Now we need straws.
Got our shakes, and she's right, guys. We do need a straw. Yeah. All right.
We missed straws.
We got straws, guys.
1, 2. Now we got straws.
What do you think, bud? Yeah? What do you think? Yeah? I'm not sure he thinks so. What do you think? You like it. I know. You always be eating it. Well, hopefully I can piece something together and share my shake video with you guys this time. I've made a couple of them and never been able to share them because chaos is my life. So enjoy. I have tried the Cocoa Pebbles ones. Really good too. This is just my first. My husband just got this for me last month to try because I hadn't tried the Fruity Pebbles yet. But totally worth it. Super good.